It is a song for, we are blessed in our job in a way that a lot of people, I can tell, are not blessed these days, and that we see, an essential, important truth about our country, and that is that most people in our country, no matter what their deal is, no matter what their religion, their race, their sexual identification, even who they voted for, most people are good people, and with a lot of love in their hearts, trying to figure out, how to do the right thing, and it is our right to argue vehemently about what the right thing is, and at any given moment. But if we can get back to that recognition of kind of a common decency, I find it makes the arguing a hell of a lot easier. So yeah, this song is called American Flowers, and it is for all the good souls we see every day, and some of them are lost, broken, trying to find their way back to some kind of light, but good, and for all you American flowers. And we sing the chorus about 31 times. So if once you catch it, we expect to hear your voices sing along with us. I've seen American flowers all across this land, from the banks of the Shenandoah along the Rio Grande. Do not fear the winter blowing in the hearts of men. I've seen American flowers, they will bloom again. On the south side of Chicago, a man who's not yet grown went out for a ride, but the car was not his own. And he did not see the stop sign or the boy on his skateboard, and now he's lying broken on the ground. Nobody around, he could have drove away, but he pulled on over to the curb and he ran out where he lay. Used his hoodie for a pillow, said, little man, you're gonna be okay. And he waited for the ambulance to come. I've seen American flowers all across this land, from the banks of the Shenandoah along the Rio Grande. Do not fear the winter blowing in the hearts of men. I've seen American flowers, they will bloom again. Tender was the night down in the Tenderloin, in an alley off O'Farrell Street, in the neon glow, where she finally caught that dragon a mile from Chinatown. She took her wings and eased her body down. She gave a little shudder, but no pain, she felt no pain, and she knew that she was back on home in Morgantown again. She could smell the lady slippers and the wild thimbleweeds. Mama, I was just mad, I never meant to leave. I've seen American flowers all across this land, from the banks of the Shenandoah along the Rio Grande. Do not fear the winter blowing in the hearts of men. I've seen American flowers, they will bloom again. Laying roof in Texas, it's the job for someone younger, and so is catching fastballs from your grandson. in the summer, but there you are saying, come on kid, let me feel that hummer, with your back, your hips, and knees on fire. And he's saying, come on grandpa, when you gonna let me throw a curve? And you're looking back at it in the sun, and you feel your heart is bursting. Let me keep him from himself and those that mean to hurt him, if that be your will, oh Lord. I've seen American flowers all across this land, from the banks of the Shenandoah along the Rio Grande. Till I feel the winter blowing in the hearts of men. I've seen American flowers, they will bloom again. Right there off the interstate in northwest Ohio, ain't no way to claim the assemblies and crews. There rose the two twin spires beside a golden dome, the Islamic mosque of Great Toledo. I was flying down the highway when it caught my eye. I was chasing red cream soda, I was listening to Johnny Fry, and I saw that golden dome against a pink and purple sky. I was singing, don't let your baby die. I've seen American flowers all across this land, from the banks of the Shenandoah along the Rio Grande. Do not fear the winter blowing in the hearts of men. I've seen American flowers.